Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I washed her hair yesterday and then I went ahead and moisturized her hair with her hair oil. All the product I used in this video will be listed down below as always. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. Okay, so I will start by parting her hair into two sections. I'm going to use the front sections to do the crisscross style. So after parting her hair, I went ahead and sprayed this extra moisturizing detangler on her hair and then apply this coily cream on her hair. Okay, after that I went ahead and used the smoothing brush to smoothen her hair gently, and the rubber band I will be using in this video are from AliExpress and the quality is not that great. Okay, So now that I'm done with the front section, I'm going to put the rest of her hair in a bun, and that is all I did to achieve this cute hairstyle for toddler and for babies. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.